So, artificial intelligence. In summary, AI is when you get a machine or a computer to recognize patterns and then retain that knowledge. So it allows for computers to handle more complex tasks like those that would typically be considered human jobs. This is usually accomplished through machine learning, which is when a computer system uses algorithms to make predictions without needing to be programmed for that specific task. Like, think Google Maps or Netflix. Like, with Google Maps, it doesn't know, like, it wasn't programmed just for your route, but it knows to follow the roads and make connections with speed limits and traffic and stuff like that, and it gives you the best route. It also works through neural networking, which is when it really works through like deep learning. So like you give the computer 1,000 images of a cat, and it's like, okay, like pointy ears, shorter snout, and then you can give it a picture of a dog, and it's like, okay, that's not a cat. So things like that. And then there's also natural language processing, which it picks up on the patterns in speech, and then it can use that to either interpret language or as a, for automatic replies in text, things like that. It can also be applied to, say, self-driving cars. We know that there's always like the idea of AI rising to rule the world with like Alexa and Siri, but really, Alexa is always listening. But it's great for music suggestions or knowing what you want shopping-wise, and job searches, or just really matching people with what they need through data analytics. So there's all that, or of course, there is the fun that comes with a robotic revolution.